Hi, my name is Jenna Upmore and I teach third grade at Enos Elementary School. So I'm just going to show you another way that you can add the math test to Canvas. So if you go to your curriculum guide, which just in case you will want to go to the district's homepage, after you go there, you will go to programs and then math your grade level, and you will have to log in. Um, then you'll go there, and after that, you can go to your curriculum guide. Now, once you're on your curriculum guide, you will click on the topic that you're doing. So we're doing topic 3. So I actually have it here, the third grade assessment, just to split the screen. I know it's worth 22 points. So when you go to Canvas and you go to quizzes, you can add a quiz and you can add it either classic or new. The new quiz is something that has more options than the classic quizzes, I think. So topic 8, math test, and then we're 22 points. You can put it wherever you want. Limited number of attempts, save and publish. So after you've done that, you will go down and look. And so I see the first question. I notice right away it's 1 point and it's fill in the blank. So you can add here. You go to fill in the blank. Question 1, if you have, your fill in the numbers that make this statement true. Okay, so what you're going to do then is come here and put 5 and then plus, and you're actually writing out 1 plus what the answer would be, equals 5 plus 1 plus 3. Okay, so I'm going to come over here. I'm going to highlight the 3, and then I'm going to push enter, and that's going to give you your blank. And the same thing here. I'm going to push enter, and that's going to give you your blank. So that's your first one. So we're done with that question. The next question is all the equations are true. So I know it's 1 point, but I also know that our next question, I need to have multiple answers, and I need to make sure I don't do multiple choice, but multiple answers. So question 2, choose all the equations that are true. So then you would, of course, type in all the equations, 100, and as you're doing this, marking the ones that are true. Equals 11. And then you're typing an answer here. And after you've done that, you'll keep going through, and you will then click on all the ones that are answers. So just for time's sake, I'm going to say, oh, look, this is 3, 5, and 2. So let's say we click on both of those, then we have those, and we don't, in this case, want partial. So we have done. We would go to the next one, and it is a reasonable estimate. So this one, you would just do your multiple choice because there's only one answer for this question. You could then, so then you fill that in. So then as you continue to go, you click what kind of question it is, and even when explain, there's text boxes that you could choose. So if I just went to number 2 and or went to number 3, this one is and you're going to type it out, obviously, and then you're going to, that should actually just say 3. Here's my question. Here's my answer. It's multiple choice. So, of course, at that point, you want one answer. And I'm just going to fill in some numbers so we know we can save some time. 7 and 9. Okay. So a same thing. Do you want them to be the same kind of options that you have? So I'm going to add a question. And my next question is if we were going to do something like this, explain what strategy you would use. In this case, you can do different things, but I would do an essay, is what they're going to call it. But basically, you are just giving them the question. You're saying, explain what strategy you would use to solve, and then solve. And so in that situation, you are going to say done, and it will give them a blank screen, a blank box to solve and to explain then what they would do. So then you have kind of went through and made your test. I like to preview it to make sure, that something didn't do different than what I would like. And then this is what it would come up with all the different types of tests. And then when you are in Canvas, you just need to make sure that you publish it. And then your students, when they go to your course, will be able to, however you have them, do it, will be able to take the Topic 8 math test, which gives them it looks just like this. So after they take it, then, and in student, obviously this is like for me, but if you're in student view, the preview, after they take it, so they will actually get, except for the ones that you have to actually grade yourself. So you're going to submit it, and it will say auto grading, and it will tell you what you got. So how many were correct. And in this one, of course, I didn't answer, so waiting for grade. That they wait then for the teacher to grade it. So I hope this helps, and have a great day.